The HP Dragonfly Pro is a premium 14-inch laptop designed to cater to freelancers and on-the-go professionals, offering a blend of performance, portability, and aesthetics. Design and build. The Dragonfly Pro boasts an attractive and minimalist design, available in black or white finishes. Its magnesium and aluminum frame provides a premium feel, though some may find the design a bit plain. Weighing approximately 3.53 pounds and measuring 0.72 inches in thickness. Display. Equipped with a 14-inch touchscreen display, the Dragonfly Pro delivers a bright and colorful visual experience. The screen's 400 nit brightness ensures good visibility in various lighting conditions, enhancing both productivity and media consumption. Performance. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7736U processor, the Dragonfly Pro handles everyday tasks with ease. In benchmark tests, it demonstrated competitive performance, particularly in multi-core tasks, outperforming some Intel-based counterparts. Battery life. The Dragonfly Pro offers impressive battery life, lasting over 13 hours in continuous web browsing and video streaming tests. This endurance makes it suitable for all-day use without needing to recharge. Overall, the HP Dragonfly Pro is a well-designed laptop that offers solid performance and impressive battery life, making it a viable option for freelancers and professionals seeking a reliable work companion. Thank you so much.